85,000 hydro customers in Ontario still without power this morning. That's the latest figure just in from the Power Authority after a storm slammed into southern and eastern Ontario last night. Look at those new pictures just in to us overnight of the damage caused by the storm. It brought heavy rain and strong winds gusting up to 90 kilometers an hour. At the height of the storm, power was out to about 100,000 homes between Windsor and all the way to Kingston. More than 70,000 homes in the Greater Toronto area were in the dark. The hardest hit area just north of the city in Newmarket. But this morning, the word from Hydro One is all of those customers have had power restored. The City of London also, Jay, without power to about 20,000 customers. So Jay Scotland, our meteorologist, tracking the storm and its ferocity for us.
Yeah, we were looking at a very strong cold front. This is the same cold front that sparked off that severe tornado outbreak in the U.S. Midwest. That cold front did sweep into southern Ontario, and in its wake, we did see very, very gusty winds that, unfortunately, when you have strong winds preceded by heavy rain, that rain softens up the soil around tree roots, and then those strong winds come in, take those trees, take those branches down, and we get widespread power outages. But just to give you an idea of the peak wind gusts we did certainly see yesterday, or last night into this morning into Ontario as of 4 a.m. These were your peak wind gusts. Port Colborne, 106 kilometers per hour. Long Point registering a gust over 100K as well. In Toronto, we did see gusts topping 80 kilometers per hour. Toronto Island actually seeing a gust just shy of the 90 kilometer per hour mark. In terms of how those wind gusts are looking now, they have eased into Toronto. The wind warning has dropped, but as we look up towards Sault Ste. Marie, east through Sudbury, still seeing gusts in and around that 70 kilometer per hour range. Down into the Niagara region, Port Colborne, this is from Haldimand, Norfolk County, east to Niagara Falls, along the eastern shores of Lake Erie, gusts still topping 70, approaching 80 kilometers per hour. And then the eastern shores of Lake Ontario also seeing very strong winds as well this morning. Wind warning still in effect there, 63 kilometer per hour gust in Kingston, but anywhere from the Quinte region, Belleville, through Napanee, and then as you head through Prince Edward County, Kingston into Gananoque, this is where the windier conditions will be this morning. Winds easing below warning criteria through the day, but Heather, those winds will shift to northwesterly tonight, and that will result in lake effect snow, some squalls off of Lake Huron and Georgian Bay.